Good morning, Northview. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Alexis.
Please pause for a moment of silent reflection.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The word of the day is ravenous, meaning extremely hungry or voracious. Ravenous for food, she gorged down a bowl of pasta.
Want some summer fun? You might be seeing frost in the morning, but believe it or not, summer is on its way. Now's the time to start applying for summer programs. You can stop by the counseling office and browse through our summer programs binder, or take a look at our website for a list of summer options. Go to www.northviewcounseling.com, and the summer programs, events, and scholarship list can all be reached through the scholarships quick link.
Prom ticket sales will continue this week for $55 for all grades. On March 17th and 18th, the cost will go up to $60. On March 19th, the price of the tickets at the door of the event will be $100.
Many schools are visiting Northview in March. University of North Carolina's Asheville and Greensboro campuses, Rutgers University, University of Oklahoma, and Georgia Gwinnett College are just some of our March visitors. Find out about who's coming and register for college visits at www.northviewcounseling.com.
Congrats to FBLA for winning the second most total awards in the state.
Tickets are now on sale for Cabaret, Northview's spring musical. Advanced tickets are only $10 and can be purchased at lunch. Tickets are $12 at the door. Show dates are March 17th, 18th, 24th, and 25th, and 26th at 7 p.m. Don't miss this great show.
What are you doing for dinner tonight? Please come out to support the state-bound Northview mock trial team by dining at Chipotle today between 5 and 9 p.m. Be sure to let the cashier know that you are there to support Northview mock.
Well, that's all for today.
Thanks for tuning in.
And remember, it's a great day to be a Titan.